Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. In the weekend edition of Sunday, July the 27th, 28th, 2024, we have here two regular puzzles. The medium Sudoku with 3 stars. Let me show you here. 27th. And this one I will solve in a minute. Tomorrow evening I will solve the medium correction, this is a samurai Sudoku. Samurai Sudoku will take me more than an hour to solve. This one I will solve Sunday evening. All right. Saturday evening, tonight, I will do 4 puzzles in the puzzle page of the Saturday edition. We have here 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. We have a 2 stars, 4 stars, killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the tectonic. 4 of them I will solve this evening, and tomorrow afternoon, we have also an additional. Let me see, where is the additional here? Yeah, the additional of the Sunday. We have a letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon. Today, first this afternoon, the medium Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 8974. 8974. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 28 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 3 digits more. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, we have a puzzle with 28. Should be at 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars puzzle or a Sudoku with 3 stars. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about we have a 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about the number? 6 here. 6, 9. Need a 3 there. I'm thinking. Need a 3 here. 9. 2, 3. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. All right. 5. 5, 5. All right. 3. Come on. Need a 6 there. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in the middle row. No 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 and 5. Yeah, we have a pair here. In this big square, we have 9 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 5. We have a 7 and 5 in this row, so no 7 and 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 and 5 in the middle row, so no 7 and 5 in those 3 boxes. And we have a 7 and 5 in the last column, so no 7 and 5 in these 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and the 5. All right. Then 9 and need a 9 here. Come on. How about the number? Need an 8 here. Yeah, need an 8. Need an 8 there. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In this first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 6. Yeah. Need a 9 here. 9. Come on. Need a 5 here. 6 here. How about the 3? Need a 3 here. Well, in this column, we need a 3. This box can be 3, so this box can be 3 because we have 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. So the 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. I think the 3 should be here because in the middle row, we need a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Cannot place it there because we need a 3 in one of these 3 boxes. So this box should be the 3 then. Okay. So the 1 and the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, and 8. 1, 2, and 8. 1, 2, and 8. 1, 2, and 8. Okay. Let me think. 7, 5. Come on. Need a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, second row, so the row below the third row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Overlooked this 9. Okay. 9. Need a 9 here. And I need a 9 here. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the 2, the 4, maybe the 1, and the 8. Need a 6 here. 2 should be here. 2, 3. I need a 4. 4 should be here then. Here we have a 2. Could be an 8. Could be a... yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 in these two boxes. A 3 in the middle column, no 3 in those two boxes. So 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between only place level the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and all the 3s, no, we need a 3 here, yeah, need a 3 there, I need to wait, yeah, we need a 3, okay, then, need a 7, and how about the 4? Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. I'm thinking. Need a 7. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, no, only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so the last row, only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left, 7 should be there, 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left, 7 should be there. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. We got you. All the 7s and all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next on that column. The only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row. Only place left for 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. 3, need a 6, need a 2. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes in the middle column. The other pair should be the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Alright, so here 1, 2, and need an 8 here. How about here, the 1 and the 8 are missing? Well, cannot fill this yet. Here also 1, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Well, I cannot place the 8 there because we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, I believe. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, need an 8 here, need 8 there. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. 1 box left in the first column for number 1. Then 2, 8, and 9. 2, 8, and 9. Alright, then 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in the first row for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Then let me see 2, 8, and 4. Come on, here 2. Oh, 3 and 8. We already have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. I need a 9 here. Well, here, the 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 8. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. No, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 2 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. I cannot believe this. I need more minutes to solve this 0 stars puzzle. Well, 17 minutes should be at 2 stars then. I'm faster than 20 minutes. If I need more than 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, then it will be 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, have a great and fantastic Saturday. See you later. Bye-bye for now.